In a groundbreaking move, the Los Angeles Rams SoFi Stadium is set to become the first sports venue in the world to incorporate an eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, air taxi terminal. This development promises to revolutionize how fans experience game days, offering a futuristic alternative to traditional transportation. The introduction of an eVTOL terminal is part of a broader trend in urban mobility, aimed at reducing traffic congestion and providing faster, more efficient travel options. The air taxis, which resemble small helicopters, are designed to carry a few passengers at a time, flying at low altitudes across short distances. These electric aircraft are seen as a cleaner and quieter alternative to traditional helicopters, aligning with the growing emphasis on sustainability. The initiative is a collaboration between the Los Angeles Rams, SoFi Stadium, and an unnamed eVTOL manufacturer, with the terminal expected to be operational within the next few years. The terminal will be strategically located to allow fans quick and easy access to the stadium, bypassing the notorious Los Angeles traffic. This project is not just about convenience but also about positioning SoFi Stadium as a leader in innovation and sustainability. The stadium, which has already garnered attention for its state-of-the-art design and technology, is now set to become a hub for next-generation transportation. The eVTOL air taxis will be able to land and take off vertically, requiring minimal space and infrastructure, making them an ideal solution for congested urban areas. Fans will be able to book air taxi rides directly through an app, with flights available from various locations around Los Angeles. The air taxis are expected to cut travel time significantly, allowing fans to arrive at the stadium in a fraction of the time it would take by car. This is particularly appealing given the often heavy traffic in the city, which can be a major inconvenience for those attending games or events at SoFi Stadium. The introduction of eVTOL air taxis at SoFi Stadium also has the potential to set a precedent for other major venues around the world. As urban air mobility continues to evolve, more stadiums and large event spaces may look to incorporate similar terminals, changing the way people travel to and from large gatherings. Moreover, this development aligns with the broader push towards electric and autonomous vehicles, which are expected to play a significant role in the future of transportation. By embracing this technology, SoFi Stadium is not only enhancing the fan experience but also contributing to the advancement of sustainable urban mobility solutions. In conclusion, the integration of an eVTOL air taxi terminal at SoFi Stadium marks a significant step forward in the evolution of game day experiences. It offers a glimpse into the future of urban transportation, where electric air taxis could become a common sight in the skies above major cities. For fans of the Los Angeles Rams and visitors to SoFi Stadium, this innovation promises to make attending games faster, more convenient, and more exciting than ever before.